Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your debit card to Venmo. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are trying to go ahead and use your debit card funds in order to fund Venmo. But how do you actually connect the two together? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and to the point, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But what we're first going to do is that we're going to hop onto our Venmo app. And then once this is finished loading, you want to click on the Me icon on the bottom right hand side. So here, you're next going to click on Add Money and then click on From Bank or Debit Card. Next, what you're going to do is that you're going to select a debit card or bank and then click on Add a Bank or Debit Card. Next, click on Debit Card. So here is where you're going to enter the details of your card number, expiration date, security code, zip code, etc. Once you click on Add, your debit card should be connected to your Venmo account. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your debit card to Venmo. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.